Alright guys, what's going on? Today we'll be going over how to create a menu and a menu list. So just basically we're just going to be creating maybe something like this where we have file, edit, view and something, and if you actually click on it you just add a whole bunch of list of maybe things to actually do there. So we can start by actually creating an object. So I'm just going to call this my menu. It's just gonna be my menu is equal to, I'm just gonna be setting this equal to menu, and make sure you close this with a parenthesis. So now that we have actually created the we actually called the menu, so we have to add it. So I'm just gonna come down here and just say my menu dot add. So here we're just going to be using the add cascade function. So if I click on this, I'm just going to call the label. I think we talked about label in formal videos, and I'm just going to call, okay, what do I want to actually appear here? So I'm just going to say, okay, file. So I'm just going to say file, and I can as easy as run this just by calling root dot config. Make sure it's config, not configure, and I'm just gonna say menu. I'm gonna set this equal to my menu. So now let's actually run this. You can actually see that I did created what we actually specify here. So you created one, so let's add maybe 3 or more. Let me copy this. So let me call this edit. I'm just gonna call this view, and I'm gonna call this help. Now let's run this and actually see. You can actually see that we have our file, our edit, our view, and also the help. So now we have successfully created this. So now how can we actually add maybe drop down menu and something like that? So we can actually do this. Let me go. So I'm just gonna call, okay, since I'm going to be creating for the file, I'm just gonna call menu. This is just gonna be menu lists. This is gonna be menu, and I'm gonna set this equal to the menu. So now that I've created this, I'm just gonna come down here easily so that I can know what where I'm working with. So I'm just gonna say my menu. Okay, sorry, this is menu list dot add. So now I'm not just gonna be using the cascade, I'm gonna be using the command. So dot add command, I'm just gonna call the list sorry, label. You know I made a mistake there. So I'm just gonna call label, and what I want to specify, I'm just gonna say okay, new file. So let me copy this. Let me paste this all over, since we're not just gonna be having one. So this is just gonna be maybe, okay, open the file, and this is just gonna be save file, and also maybe, okay, exit. Now let's run this and actually see. It won't. If we actually run this now, you are not going to get anything, because we have just created this, but we have not actually called it. So to actually do that, we're just going to come to the one for the file. I'm just going to specify a command. I'm just going to say menu, and I'm going to set this equal to I'm just going to call this equal to what I'm actually calling. So it is going to be menu list. Now let's run this and actually see. So you can actually see that we have the new file, open file, save file, and exit. So now if we actually click on this, this is not going to actually do anything. So in the next video we're just going to be talking about that. So And this is all for the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and also like the video if you actually enjoyed it. So, and don't forget to if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.